Okay, welcome back to the channel with myself, Luke. So I hope you're having a great day. It is the 4th of April. So in today's episode, I'm going to be very brief. We're going to go over the next few minutes looking at the current Bitcoin price and the technicals where we could be heading to next. So if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so already, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. It's great for me and the algorithm, of course. And leave me any comments in the section below if you agree or disagree with me and where you think Bitcoin is heading to next. So right now Bitcoin has been stabilizing over the last couple of days. We did have that $5,500 dump. If we take into consideration also the small dump we had on the first, it was roughly about what, 6,500, 7,000 US dollars that we lost. So let me just check that if that's correct. Yes, 6,700. So where is Bitcoin heading to right now in the short term? So if you've been following me, I have been talking about these prices back down here, especially with the Bitcoin halving. I do expect a lot of volatility to come into play over the next couple of weeks. So the Bitcoin halving is less than 3 weeks away, and so I do expect to see some downwards action. Right now we are forming this M pattern that we can see. This can quickly turn into a W. I mean, if we just get rid of this, this can easily go like this and then bam, straight up. So my opinion, I don't think we're going to go past the $74,000 level. I hope we do. I hope I'm wrong, and that we do fly up to 80k and beyond. But with the halving, I just expect this month to be extremely volatile and have a major correction. So, and this is my opinion. This is what we're seeing now. Tried to pump up, didn't. And right now it's stabilizing on this support that I put a few days back. If we do drop below this support, then I'm afraid we are probably going to go and retest some of these levels back down at 51, 52k first. So I think there are a few levels before that, but you know, we've got all the way, we've got these levels here at like 60k as well first. But in my opinion, if we do drop below this, then it's only a matter of time until we drop back down to these levels. On the Fibonacci, it's the 0.38, the 50% level, and the 0.618 level here, right down at 38k. Some of you expect us to go right back down into the 20s, 27, 28k. I don't think we're going to go below 30. I mean, again, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. I can't see us going below the 38k level. It could happen, I'm not saying it won't, but I highly doubt it with the halving coming, and then after the halving it would just be all upwards action with Bitcoin. So I've been looking at the indicators. I looked at the Bollinger Bands on the daily, and yeah, we've just been bouncing around here nicely, and I was also looking at the EMA ribbons. As you can see, let's just get rid of the Bollinger Bands. The EMA ribbons, so this one, the 50 weekly EMA ribbon, is sitting nicely. It'll probably come up. I would not be surprised if we have a retest and it will just hit nicely that support. But on the 4 hourly, I was checking this out. We are, as you can see, the 200 weekly moving average, it's just been getting touched a lot, multiple times. Which isn't, I mean, it's holding, but if we keep touching it, keep hitting it, then it's not a good sign. It gives like an indication of weakness. And if we go below that, then yeah, the next level will be down here at $63,670. So again, that's just my opinion. Don't just base, if you're trading, don't base everything you hear on YouTube from me and others. You have to also do your own research, try to do your own TA and research before you jump in. If you are jumping into a short position, there's just one more thing I want to show you before I leave you. On the daily, we do have this, let me just move that here. There we go. We do have a potential small bear flag. Let me just get this, put it here. Okay, you probably see what I'm going to do. So we do have not the best drawing in the world, so just very quick, copy and paste. Let's take this, and this would give us a price target of 61k. So that would sit perfectly at the lower part of the candle wick here, and also we'll almost fill up this candle wick here. I still believe that we're going to fill this up, so that would bring us down to 58,900 or 59k. But yeah, this bear flag, just bearing in mind, not the best drawing I've ever done, would take us to that $61,000 level. So again, that would be a nice, if you put a trade in at 65,200 and you do a short, that would be a nice 6%. So on leverage, if you're using 10x, that would be 60%. You've got my Bitflex and Bybit links in the description below. Just make sure you use a stop loss if you're doing any type of trading. You don't want to lose more than 0.5%, 1% max. Let's put it at 1%. That would take us just inside this channel, which is nice, just in case it bounces back and wipes us out. That would be a 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So not a bad short if you're going to do that. Just wait for that break down from this level, and then you enter your trade at 65k. And you can trade this thing down to that next level. So again, I don't short in, I mean, you can do, nothing wrong with that, but personally I don't short in a bull market. I think it's too dangerous, but I'm just waiting for that swing long position in the future. So yeah, if I'm being selfish, I hope we do dump so I can buy Bitcoin cheaper and enter that swing long position, because when we do dump, it will be the last dump before the major pump going into the end of this, after the halving into the rest of this year. So that's pretty much it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the show. Let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree with me, and any thoughts on Bitcoin, where you think it's going this year, and any altcoins that you want me to talk about in AI, in gaming. Just go ahead and leave comments in the section below. So thanks guys and girls for watching. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.